Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to get the sturdy pine fence in Genshin Impact. First, you'll need the blueprint. You can earn this by completing round 3 of the Adeptal Mirror challenges within your Serenitea pot. Another option is to visit the Teapot Traveling Salesman, who appears on weekends, or check the Realm Depot for its availability. Make sure to save up your Realm currency. Next, let's gather the pine wood. You can obtain this material by simply attacking pine trees throughout Teyvat. Excellent locations for farming include the snowy region of Dragonspine, the scenic Wuwang Hill, and even within Mondstadt City itself. Remember, each fence needs 4 pieces of pine wood, so collect plenty for your crafting needs. Now, let's talk about fabric, another essential material. You'll craft fabric from silk flowers directly in your Serenitea pot. Just 1 silk flower will give you 10 pieces of fabric, which is quite efficient. You can find silk flowers growing in the Liu region, particularly around Yujing Terrace and Wangshu Inn. Some vendors also sell them if you need a quick supply. Finally, with your blueprint and materials ready, head back to your Serenitea pot. Speak with Tubby, your trusty teapot spirit, and select the Create Furnishing option. Find the sturdy pine fence in your list of learned blueprints. Once you initiate the crafting, it will take 12 real-world hours to complete. Happy decorating!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.